thunderstorm warning for northeastern Alamance County, Person County, northern Orange County, northwestern Durham County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baines, or near Prospect Hill. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Baines, or near Prospect Hill, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roxborough, Hillsborough, Mebane, Rougemont, Concord, Carr, Ethland, Anno River State Park, Lake Burlington, and Flee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Durham, Orange and Person.